Hello, Baker Bulldogs. As you start to return to in-person classes, we want to make you aware of some changes you will see as you enter the building. This year, as you enter Baker, whether that is through our car rider entry, bus entry, or front doors, you will have your temperature taken by our new thermal scanners. What we need from you is simple. We just need you to walk in our doors, facing forward, and maintain the required social distancing. The thermal scanners will tell a staff member monitoring the screen what your temperature is. Should your temperature be high due to environmental factors, such as a hot bus ride, we might ask you to wait a moment and then walk through a second time to make sure we got an accurate reading. We are also asking parents to review a form called the Family Assurance of Student Health. This form will help guide you as to when students should stay home from school. Each morning, parents should assess their student to make sure that their temperature is less than 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit and also that they have no COVID-like symptoms such as sore throat, cough, diarrhea, vomiting, headache, or body aches. If you have been in close contact with someone that is tested positive for COVID-19, we ask that you follow CDC and Clark County Health Department guidelines for quarantine. It is also important for parents to notify Baker if your student has been advised to quarantine or isolate due to COVID-19. We also wanted to provide some helpful tips to keep in mind as you prepare your student for their return to in-person classes. First, students should have cloth face coverings that fit them appropriately and that they are comfortable in, as at this time guidelines require students and staff to wear them at all times except when actively eating or drinking. Masks should cover both the nose and mouth at the same time. It is helpful to have multiple masks for your student as they should be washed between use, as well as to account for any that could end up lost or damaged. Please also discuss social distancing with your student. 6 feet of social distance will be expected between students, and for many this will be a huge change. Bulldogs will find signage throughout the building as well as stickers on our floors to help remind them of this requirement. Please encourage your student to practice good hand hygiene. Hand sanitizer will be provided in numerous locations throughout the building, as well as students will be encouraged to wash with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Communication with your school nurse will be vital this year. It is extremely important to make sure your student's emergency contact information is kept up to date in case we need to reach you. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out to Baker nurse Lauren Harney at 745-5190 or lauren.harney@clark.kyschools.us. The health and safety of your students are extremely important, and we look forward to safely bringing them back into the building.